Hello guys, so today we're going to make flower vases and fill them with flowers. So with me, this is something I took from a local shop yenye wanaekeanga carpet. Ilikuwa empty, so I had to borrow. And I'm already cutting the pieces that I need. As you can see, I had already measured earlier. Make sure you measure the size that you want. With me, that's the size that I wanted for my flower vase. I didn't want something tall, I didn't want something big. And after cutting the sizes that I needed, I'm going to cut some boxes, carton box, and this will be our base. Hii ndio itakuwa base ya flower vase yetu. So this video is self-explanatory, it's not hard. If you're new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nice videos and more creative videos. I forgot to say, if you're a returning subscriber also, welcome to my channel. This is the channel you've been looking for. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to cut three. Okay, I'm going to put them into three each for the two vases. Then I'm going to use my hot glue gun to attach them. Yes, because hot glue gun is what we need to attacking any other glue. Hii ndio itakuwa perfect. Yeah guys, so now after I'm done putting my base, I'm not going to attach the flower vase, the rod onto the base. And yes, we're still going to use hot glue gun. This is what you need. If you don't have one, please, you can buy it from Jumia, Kilimall, or any shop that is selling them. So after attaching it, you'll see everything is just self-explanatory, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. This far you've come, please don't forget to give me a like button. Please. And please watch this video till the end. Don't go now. Like umefika huko mbali, mbona watch? You can still watch till the end. This I'm telling you, trust me, it's going to be so nice. Trust me. So this third step is also very, very easy. I bought bamboo skewers from Naivas at 57 bob only. Yani 57 peke yake tu. So guys, this thing it doesn't cost a lot. Actually, hii kitu yote you can only use 200 because of the paint. So you only need medium bamboo skewers. Medium, don't go for the long one. If you'll prefer a long one, then it's okay for you. But with me, I had to use medium because I'm going to apply it at the bottom and also at the top. So I'm going to apply them using my hot glue gun. Again, this thing is very important, guys. You really need this. But if you have any other glue that you can use, then it's okay. So I'm going to attach my skewers around it. My bottom, all of it, I'm going to attach my bamboo skewers. Then after I finish, I'm going also to attach my top. Just watch, guys. It's getting even interesting. This is just the beginning of the video, guys. I'm sure you love this and you'll want to make this for your house. You can place this at the kitchen, bedroom, a side table, anywhere, guys. Just watch, okay? Be patient, please. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay? Now watch this video till the end. So at this point, I'm done putting all my skewers. Wow, just look. It looks amazing. It has just turned out perfect, guys. And don't forget to move the extra glue that ilitoka nje hizo skewers. Yeah, itoe before you put the paint. Before you apply paint. Guys, it looks good. You can just apply it just like you can just use it like this. If you are somebody mwenye anapenda something that looks raw, something like yani kitu yenye haitaki painted. Unajua there's those people wenye wanapenda kitu inakaa wooden, so you can just leave it like that. But with me, I don't like wooden things, so I'm just going to apply my black paint. I bought this at 140 only from a hardware. You can get this from a hardware, the paint plus the brush ilikuwa ni 49. Was it 49 bob or what? I think so. I'm not sure, guys, but it's very cheap. So I'm going to apply everywhere, including the inner parts. As you can see, I'm going inside there. I have to apply, and I left it to dry for almost 3 days, and in those 3 days I repainted it so that it can be more darker, ikusikue na places zenye haijapakika rangi. And look, it looks nice already. It looks very nice. Oh my god. At this point, you can leave it like that. But with me, I'm not going to leave it like that because I'm going to put some extra touches. I bought this thing. Actually, I didn't buy it. I went to my sister's baby shower and we were given these things in tunaweka kwa kichwa. I'm going to use this to put some madoido kidogo. You'll see, guys. You'll see. Haitaki pressure. Haitaki force. You just use the simple thing that you have to make it look fantastic. I know I'm annoying. I talk a lot, but don't worry, guys. Okay, now I'm going to stop talking. Please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to give me a comment. Tafadhali niambieni nimefanya vizuri ama ni vibaya. Imagine this idea is mine. I didn't copy this from anybody. Yani ile kuona video mtu mwingine alafu nikuje nifanye mimi pia asikufanya hivyo. Yani hii ilikuwa ni idea yangu, nimekuwa tu nao kwa akili. Yani nimekaa tu hivi nikafikiria, nikasema yaweza kuwa acha nijaribu. Then it turned out perfect. Just see. Yani okay, acha mtaona wewe. Hey. Yani it turned out perfect. I was even surprised. Kumbe I can have good ideas like this. Nilipenda. So you can do this, guys, ama you can use any idea you have, but go for this. It's very nice. Please nipatieni comments. I really need your comments. Niambieni kama iko poa, kama ni mbaya, kama najaribu. Mnaona? Yani mnanimotivate na hizo comments. Then napenda comments sana. Yani they make me feel good. Alafu zinanipatia motisha. Unaelewa? Please watch this video till the end. I'm done with the first stand and I'm going to apply the same on the second stand. Yay! Oh my god, I can't believe this is me. Guys, this is nice. This is awesome. This is fabulous. Oh my god. Okay, I know you're asking where I got those. Hizo vitu mbili za juju hizo gems. Kuna cover flani za simu. So you just move them, you stick them there. Yeah, just like that, imagine. Nilitoa from a phone cover. Just imagine. The simple that you have from the house. So guys, now to the flowers. You're going to decorate these things. Mi nilikuja nikakaa nikaona. Instead of buying a flower vase yenye tayari iko na maua, ambao ni gali, ni kitu kama 1,000 nana ni flower vase moja. Imagine unapata kitu kama 2,000. So mimi nikakaa nikafikiria nikasema, I'm going to just buy my flowers. I bought my flowers from Nawal Center. Watu wa Mombasa, oe! See, they're looking nice. So my theme hapa, it's just maroon. And in peach ama ni nini? I think it's peach. Yeah, maroon, peach. Itakatu vizuri. Just see, guys. Alafu kumbuka ukiendea flowers, go with the flowers that rhyme. Usiendea maua ambayo haya rhyme, itatokea vibaya. So I'm just easy flowers. Imagine I bought only 3 flowers. And with these 3 flowers, I'm going to nitazikatakata into 2 each daily for the 2 vases. Yani ni creativity hapa na mimi ni economizer. I couldn't waste my money on hair. Hapa lazima tukue creative na lazima tu economize na vitu lazima zitokee vizuri venye tunataka, au sio? Please subscribe, like and share. Mi sitaongea tena. This video just watch it till the end. Alafu mtaniambia tu chenye maoni yenu tu. Nakwambia usitoke hapa bila kucomment. Jamani, ukitoka hapa bila comment, jamani. Jamani. Comment tu. Alafu like, then share this video to people wenye wanapenda decors, even those who don't like. Maybe inaweza motivate, you know? Yeah. It's your girl, Melanin Power here doing her things. See you next time, guys.